Hello everyone. So today I'd like to show you an extension that I found here on VS Code. It's called Console Ninja, and what it does, it shows us like console messages directly on our VS Code instead of you coming here to the browser and inspect and go to the console messages. You can just see everything here from your VS Code. And all you need to do is kind of install the extension, and then you go to your application and you console the message you want, and that's it. So I'm using here Vue, but it works on pretty much any Vite project, and not only Vite projects, but also Nest.js, Next and Nest.js, Remix, Nuxt, Astro, React, Vue, Svelte, and pretty much anything like just vanilla JavaScript, TypeScript, etc. And if you actually are using on backend projects, on Node projects, you need to like when to run, you need to preview with Console Ninja. So it has an example here. But otherwise, you just run your project in your normal way. So in Vite, you just run npm run dev, and then you just can check the messages here. So let's take a look. I have a very simple example. So this is just an image that we can see here, that it's a view image. Then I have a button, and this button pretty much add. And also I fetch something, the users from fake API users, JSON placeholder. And also I also console here the response so that we can take a look. I'm just going to close this, and then I'm going to go to add, and then it already shows here. So we have a count that was 0, now it's 1. And also he answer the call here with our array of users from our fetch. And yeah, you can see it here by just roving over, but you can also go to Ninja over here, that's this icon here, and you can go to show output, and you have this console right here. So it shows our users. It's an array of 10 users, and also shows our count that you can see it over here. When you click it, you just go directly to your like line that you consoled. And so if I click it again, it goes to 2, and you can see now there is a ×2 because it shows the different consoles over time. So I click 2 times, so I have 2 answers. The first time it was 1, and now the second time it's 2, as you can see here. So it kind of has a logs for time that you did, that you console everything. And also the same thing here. So the first time it's this array of 10 items, and then you have the second time over here. So you can kind of check out previous consoles that you did at the same time, so you can see it, the difference, if there is any. In this case, we are adding different numbers here to the console. And yeah, I think this is awesome. If you use Vue, you also have Vue DevTools that you can pretty much check the count here. So I think this is a good thing to also have. So we have like 2 options to, you can check it's 0 because I just open now, but if I reopen here and I add, it just updates also. So if you're using Vue DevTools, you can kind of check up here and also compare here to the answer, and there you go. And yeah, I think I hope you like it. I think it's a very good tool to help us debug our applications and see if there is anything, not only an error, but also if you want to check any value on real time. He has like a very different other options, but for the free version, I think the console log is the one that it's good. The paid versions had other versions that other kind of kinds of console that are interesting also. So make sure to check that out. Okay, everyone, I hope you like it, and see you next time.